fine.
So when you bought this, where did you buy it at?
Someplace in suburban Chicago, because I was living
Chicago,
there.
okay.
Yeah, I was living there at the time.
So right from the Pontiac dealership?
I think it was somebody who did a little of both.
Okay.
You know, it was,
Sure.
what was it?
Did you order it or did they already have it?
Oh, it was sitting there.
It was
No,
sitting there,
I've
yeah?
never ordered a car.
So how long did you live in Nebraska? When did you move to Nebraska?
Oh, I moved back in, let's see, when did I move back? Would have been 84.
Okay.
So I bought this was a leftover because I didn't buy this until 82.
Yep. Okay.
And yeah, I moved back in 84 for a new job. I've been in Nebraska ever since. Yeah.
Well, it's sure a pretty car.
Yeah,
And
it's
you actually
very
did
nice.
a great job keeping care of it because actually it was a good, solid car to work with.
Was it? Okay.
Yeah.
All
Overall, it was a great car to work with. And
right.
it
It
was a lot of
wasn't
fun.
rusted out very much at all.
No,
was
it wasn't. That's what I was saying. It's just
Yeah.
really solid. And then in your interior, we were able to track down this original material for the 81 Trans Am, which is non-existent, but we found some original NOS material
Oh,
to basically sew up your seats and make them look just like they were stock.
Yeah, okay, good.
We have another gentleman from Canada bringing in his car that he's got the same interior and stuff in his, and we're going to have to try and do the same thing to help save it.
Okay. All right. Well, I guess I do need to load it up then and take it home.
Yeah, well, we can help you get it loaded and stuff.
Oh,
too.
that'd be great, yeah.
I just had the guys
Yeah.
finishing up the details and stuff
Yeah,
here.
if they want to drive it onto my trailer.
Well, yeah, we'll help you.
Yeah,
I'll help you
'cause
with it.
You guys have done it oftener than I have.